morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Very good. I am your teacher, Miss Kiran, and I will teach you which letter? What is the letter? The letter for today. Today I will teach you letter B. Today I will teach you letter B. Okay, which letter? B. Very good. Okay, first of all, I will tell you what is the sound of letter B. The sound of B is B. The sound of B is B. What is this? This is a bag. This is a bag. Beaver, bag. Beaver, bag. Okay. Wow. What is this? Who will tell me? Ball. Beaver, ball. And what is the color of this ball? Anybody tell me? Yes, this is a blue ball. This is a blue ball. Beaver blue and beaver ball. Beaver bag and beaver ball. Very good. What is this? Wow, what is this? Bicycle. This is a bicycle. Beaver, bicycle. Beaver, bicycle. Beaver ball, beaver ball, beaver bag and beaver bicycle. Very good. Okay, what is this, class? Do you know? This is a boat. This is a boat. Beaver, boat. Beaver, boat. Okay. I have one more card for you. What is this? Ooh, this is a beer. This is a beer. Beaver, beer. Beaver, beer. Beaver bag, beaver ball, beaver bicycle, beaver boat, and beaver beer. Beaver, beer. Beaver, beer. Very good. Now you have to tell me. Beaver. What is this? Beaver. Ball. Very good. Beaver. Bicycle and beaver boat. And what is this? Beaver. Beer. Very good. Clap for you. Okay. Today we have learned letter B and the sound of B and the things which start with letter B. Okay. Thank you.